What's up, guys? I'm Random Frank P, here with a massive unboxing of the tech that I picked up on Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Now, right away, I'm gonna tell you guys, I don't know how this video is gonna turn out. I have the mic in a different spot. There's just not enough room on my desk for all of these boxes. It might turn out like garbage. I've got a second camera over here. It was supposed to be above me, but it wasn't working out. So we're just gonna unbox stuff. Nothing fancy. We'll just open boxes, talk about it, because people love this kind of stuff, you know? Let's just do this. I don't even remember half the stuff that I picked up because at this point it was well over a week ago and I X'd out most of the labels. So we're just gonna start getting into some things here, you know? This first one is in a box that is, oh, okay, all right. So, it's a little bit of a spoiler here. I bought a lot of new camera stuff, okay? Lots of new camera gear. Not replacing this camera or this guy over here. Oh, yeah. Can you see it? This is probably in the way, huh? That's probably good. Let me do that. That's probably better. Awesome. So yeah, I bought some new camera stuff because I want to keep my ecosystem all Canon not Canon lenses, but EF mount. So before we get into this, let me explain real quick. I have the Blackmagic Ursa Mini Pro 4.6K, uses camera Canon lenses. I had the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 4K, which I upgraded to the 6K because that also has an EF mount. So before I had Canon glass and then Micro Four Thirds glass. And then for the vlogging stuff, I have the Sony a7 III, which also uses, obviously, Sony glass. So I'm in the process of ditching all the non-EF lens to stay in my current ecosystem. So this I got right here is a Canon 50mm. I got this off of eBay for a really, really good price. I paid just around $8.50 for it, like new condition. It had an ND filter on the entire lifespan of it, so pretty much new. It's not gray market or anything either. I needed a second 50mm lens. That's what I have over there is a Sigma 50mm, and I like 50mm. They're a lot better for some of the compositions. So I picked up a second one from eBay. This was, again, I don't remember the exact price, but definitely a pretty good sale on that. Put that off to the side. Let's open what's in front of me here. Sorry for kind of boring. If you're not a big camera gear person, or if you don't care too much about the channel and tech, you probably don't care about that whole intro I just did, that whole spiel. But oh well, oh well. I said that because you're gonna see more camera stuff coming up, obviously. This is from Best Buy. I didn't realize it was gonna come in that bag or I would have saved this, but this is the series. Okay, so I got my wife an Apple Watch for Christmas. Did not think that's what this was because it was in a bag. I thought that would come in a box. So this is one of my wife's Christmas gifts. You guys don't care about that. Put that off to the side and let's hop in here to the Novel Keys box. I'm pumped about this. Novel Keys is where I get 99% of my like DIY keyboard stuff when it comes to building. So like lots of switches, keycaps, and yes, I splurged a bit on a brand new keycap set. Oh baby, GMK Metropolis. So what I'll do, and I got like all the extras. I forgot how much it came to, but keycap sets are stupid expensive. So I have the main set here. This is some of the extra, it's a 58 kit with extra colors. This is also the add-on accessories for some of the logo keycaps. It's and a keycap puller from Rama. So I'll do some B-roll mixed in with this so you guys could kind of see it afterwards and understand. But pretty much what I want to do with GMK Metropolis is replace SA Abyss on my Grid 600 keyboard. This I think fits in better with the color overall. And I think just the Metropolis keycap set is one of the nicest with the colors they use. It's just like a perfect blend of, I don't know, it's a very appealing color theme they have going on, and it could really match to anything. So I wanted to get these plus all the extras so I could use it for future builds, replace the SA Abyss. But yeah, speaking of Novel Keys, I don't like mouse pads, so I went out and made my own. Was that what he said? I don't like mouse pads. So I made my own. You guys already know what it is. The Random Frank P and Novel Keys Topographic Extended Desk Pad. You can get this until December 31st is the last, I believe, the official pre-order window. I showed this off in videos, but since we were talking about Novel Keys, I figured I'd show it off. You already know. Pick it up while you can. Those are 20 bucks. Pretty good, pretty good. This is a heavy boy right here. This guy, I do know what it is, and I've been waiting on this for a while, so I'm pumped they finally got it sent out. Unfortunately, I'm very, very busy right now on the channel, so I can't build in it right away. Ugh. How am I gonna, okay. This is in here. This is in. Wiggle, wiggle, there we go. Wiggle that out. All right, and I guess I open it like this. This is some real fine padding on here, oh my God. Any guesses yet? Oh. This is a workout. Okay, okay. Very tight fit. Oh, whoa, that is significantly smaller than I thought it was. So, this is like a Dream ITX. Oh, snap, they even got the glass panels? Okay. This is something I've been looking forward to for a long time. It is an ITX PC case, and I can't get it out. It is very well packaged. And give me a second. All right, that was a struggle and a half. But look at this. Oh my God. That is beautiful. Insanely small. So this is the Thor Mjolnir, or Thor's hammer. But man, I guess just from seeing renders and like in my head, I thought it was probably like this, or at least like closer to the size of the box, but this thing is super tiny. I've been trying to pick up components for it, like lots of hardware and stuff. I want to get newer things from AMD to do a super tiny mini beast of a build, but it's just been sold out. AMD's killing it right now. So very, very soon I want to get a build going in this, and they included some of the glass side panels. Oh, I am super pumped for this. Look how tiny that is. It's so sleek. All right. Okay, so this, I'll move that up here. Like I said, ditching some of the non-camera or non-Canon, that kind of jazz. So, we got a lens here. Let me just get it all out of the box first. A mount adapter, a lens cleaning kit, a camera case, and the Canon EOS R. So as I was mentioning in the beginning, if you were paying attention there, I want to also get rid and sell my giant bundle of my Sony a7 III and all the Sony lenses and Zeiss lenses I picked up for that. And I want to move to Canon. Now granted, the EOS R uses their own RF lenses. This bundle that I got on Black Friday, I don't remember the actual retail price, but I think it was $1,700 for this bundle. And I want to say it's usually $2,200. So, oh, it also came with an SD card, nice. But it also came as part of the bundle deal with an EF to EOS R adapter lens. So I could put my Canon lenses and Sigma lenses still onto here. And this is gonna be replacing, I guess, my C-Cam and my vlog camera instead of the Sony a7 III. And to go along with that, since I would obviously need a lens, and I'm not gonna vlog with the 18 to 35, I picked up the RF 15 to 35. So you get a bit more of that wide angle look. And I did a lot of research before buying this, but I just decided that, you know what, why have just so many mixed lenses and cameras? And this is actually pretty lightweight for the size. So it'll be my new vlogging camera, 15 to 35 here. Got the mount, all this stuff. Let's just open it up real quick. I love the a7 III. It's been a great camera for me, no doubt. But I kind of missed that Canon color. You know, there's something about the Canon color, and it's just more appealing to me. So this was, I guess, from box says B&H. Yeah, I was looking to buy it on Best Buy for a while, but B&H had the better deal. Oh, look at that body. So I know obviously you can't judge from this, but the body is super comfy with the grip here. A lot more lightweight than I thought it would be. And one of the things that I've been missing with the A7 III is we have a flip out screen for vlogging that just completely rotates, pops out, folds back in. This is gonna be great. A nice lightweight camera like this. Needless to say, I will be doing more vlogs, and I already have some good ideas that I wanna do with this. And I'm pumped about this. This is actually like, I believe it also has image stabilization. Yep, stabilization. It is a, I wanna say 2.2? Probably tells me somewhere in the box. 2.8. But yeah, again, for people who care about camera stuff, I'm sure you find this interesting. For the people who don't, you're probably tuned out. And we move on, and I'm gonna be selling my Sony bundle probably on eBay. I don't know. I bought a lot of lenses for that over the past year and a half that I've had it. So it's a pretty big bundle that I got that I'll be selling to hopefully recoup some of the price I paid for the EOS R and the lens. And speaking of lens, oh baby, this is something, you probably know what it is by now. MKBHD showed it off, and he's the reason why I caved in and bought this, but it's from Venus Optics. This is the Laowa Probe Lens 24mm macro. I've been following this for a long time, and it came out, I guess, around a year ago at this point. Oh man, it's got a whole case and everything. Look at this. Whew! Do I have to have a combination? Probably not, right? Oh, just like that. So this was also on sale on B&H, and it was like an open box 10 out of 10 deal. I think it was like $500 off, maybe more. But judging from the looks of this, it's essentially brand new. That's kind of what the description said. And this is gonna also be a nice addition to the new EOS R. But holy lens. The probe lens, so it's great for macro shots, getting really unique shots. Great for PC builds, want to give you guys a really unique, cool look. I was actually kind of hoping to use this for a keyboard build where this goes through like the braided coil of the cable, but it might be too thick. But it was just, it's a good creative lens to kind of flex your creative muscles there, you know? Will I use this frequently? No, not at all. But it was a really good price. Like I said, it was on sale for, I believe this was actually Cyber Monday I got this for. And the fact that it was like a brand new open box, new unit. If I see an opportunity like that, I'm gonna hop on it. And I'm pumped to pair this with the EOS R to get some cool shots. Very unique stuff. So lastly is some stuff from Aputure. I believe it's actually out this way. Yeah, doesn't matter. More camera gear, new lights. Okay, so lights is something that I've been wanting to upgrade. I use these Falconized like flex panels, and you know, they're great, but I've seen so many good things. Bro, it's getting hot down here. The heat's on, all the lights are on. I'm wearing a sweater and a t-shirt. I'm usually like a basketball shorts and t-shirt kind of guy, so the layers. All right. It's probably better if I just unbox this all together. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so these are definitely the lights. Okay. What is going on? Yes, okay. So these are both lights. So part of the reason I don't look up exactly the prices and actually what it is before I do these videos is because that kind of spoils it all. I also like to be kind of surprised at what I'm opening and getting myself into. So these are brand new Aputure 120D Mark II lights. These are legit. So full disclosure, I did not buy these. They offered to send them out to me, and I want to replace the Falcon Eye lights that I have in the studio. There's a lot of stuff here, but these are going to be a very, very nice upgrade when it comes to filming in the studio. These lights, you know, they cut it, but something about these Aputure 120D lights, I've been eyeing these for a long time. Like even the originals, the regular 120D. Then when these are coming out, I was like, I will happily collab. And these are just the stands. Yeah. Lots of stuff here. Lighting is the one aspect of my filming and just videography that I would love to improve on. And again, not necessarily saying these are holding me back in any way, because I've just been, you know, using them for the past year plus. Now I've used these for a while now, because I had these back when we lived at the apartment. So I probably had these for going on 2 years now. It's just I could benefit from brighter, better quality lights with a better CRI, better just everything about these is better. I'm not gonna get into it, but so this video, we unboxed a lot. Lots of camera stuff. I know last time from my, what was it? The Amazon Prime Day, whoops. When we did my unboxing for that, it was a lot of keyboard stuff. Lots of you were irate for no good reason. And this time, a lot of camera stuff. But hey, everything else I bought, it was just the Aputure lights that were sent to me. So the main takeaway from this is camera upgrades, gear upgrades. Time for 2020, ditching my Sony glass, my Sony cameras, moving all towards EL and Canon, and obviously, you know, Blackmagic and stuff, but I can use Canon and EL lenses with that. New PC case, GMK Metropolis, some lenses, some more lenses. Yes, hope you guys enjoyed the random Black Friday / Cyber Monday tech unboxing of gear. That's what this is. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you hate me, give it a big thumbs down. Feel free to follow me on Twitter, you know, Instagram, all social media plats at RandomFrankP. And last, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Hope you enjoyed. This video is probably trash. Have a good day.